8881. How is aircraft electrical power for propeller deicer systems transferred from the engine to the propeller hub assembly? A. By slip rings and segment plates. B. By slip rings and brushes. C. By flexible electrical connectors. The correct answer is B. Aircraft electrical power for propeller deicer systems is transferred from the engine to the propeller hub assembly by slip rings and brushes. Slip rings and brushes are commonly used to transfer electrical power from a stationary component to a rotating component. In the case of propeller deicer systems, the electrical power is generated on the engine and transmitted to the propeller hub assembly through slip rings and brushes, allowing the de-icing system to operate. 8882. How is anti-icing fluid ejected from the Slinger ring on a propeller? A. By pump pressure. B. By centripetal force. C. By centrifugal force. The correct answer is C. Anti-icing fluid is ejected from the Slinger ring on a propeller by centrifugal force. The Slinger ring is a rotating component located at the base of the propeller blades. When the propeller spins, the centrifugal force generated causes the anti-icing fluid, such as de-icing fluid or anti-icing fluid, to be forced outward from the Slinger ring. This helps to distribute the fluid along the surface of the propeller blades, preventing ice buildup. 8883. On most reciprocating multi-engine aircraft, automatic propeller synchronization is accomplished through the actuation of the A. Throttle levers. B. Propeller governors. C. Propeller control levers. The correct answer is B. On most reciprocating multi-engine aircraft, automatic propeller synchronization is accomplished through the actuation of the propeller governors. Propeller governors are responsible for regulating the pitch of the propeller blades based on engine RPM and power settings. In the case of automatic propeller synchronization. 8884. Propeller fluid anti-icing systems generally use which of the following? A. Ethylene glycol. B. Isopropyl alcohol. C. Ethyl alcohol. The correct answer is B. Propeller fluid anti-icing systems generally use isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol is commonly used as the fluid in propeller anti-icing systems. It has properties that allow it to effectively prevent ice formation on the propeller blades during flight. 8885. What is a function of the automatic propeller synchronizing system on multi-engine aircraft? A. To control the tip speed of all propellers. B. To control engine RPM and reduce vibration. C. To control of the power output of all engines. The correct answer is B. The function of the automatic propeller synchronizing system on multi-engine aircraft is to control engine RPM and reduce vibration. The automatic propeller synchronizing system ensures that the propellers on multi-engine aircraft rotate at the same speed, which helps in controlling engine RPM and reducing vibration. This system synchronizes the propeller blade angles to maintain a balanced load on each engine, resulting in smoother and more efficient operation.